Welcome guys, today I am with the Nokia C21 Plus and I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for this device. Okay, so first of all we are going to start with the volume buttons in the photo mode. When we click volume up or volume down, we can take photo. When we click and hold one of these buttons, we are going to record video. It works the same for the volume up and volume down. Next, when we move for the shutter, we can click and hold it, and we will also record this video. So when you want to quickly make it, you don't have to switch. Right here, just hold the shutter or one of the volume button. When you try to change the brightness level on your photo, you can just tap on the screen once, and when you get this sun icon, you can decrease or increase brightness, just like that, but also you can click once on the screen to make it automatically. And next, when you tap in this place, we can find beautify mode, so it makes everything looks a little bit smoother. When you try to zoom in or zoom out, you can simply pinch the screen with your two fingers, and you can zoom into the 4 times, but also you can click and hold on this preset and then make it with the slider. When you try to enable camera timer, you have to just click here and choose 3 or 10 seconds. And after this time, this countdown, the photo will be taken. When you open the settings, we can, for example, turn off the shutter sound. We can enable the grid lines, and they help us to take better composition on the photos, like in this case. There it is. We can also long press on the shutter to take the burst shot instead of taking the video. So take a look. And we can take 20 photos in each series. When you open the gallery, we can find all of them right here. When you go back for the settings, we can also enable the automatic smile detection. And here we can also turn on and turn off HDR. When you go for the video resolution, we can change it for the rear and the front camera. So that's how we can change it if you want to decrease currently resolution. Right here we can also find a few additional modes. But honestly, there's nothing interesting more in this camera application. So yeah, that was all tips and tricks for the Nokia C21 Plus. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.